Me, Trev. Welcome. Today is... Now, what day is it? Monday. Monday, 17th of October. Boy, I've had a busy day. I'm in a busy day. Mowing the lawn, the front lawn, and clearing the driveway, just clearing up a bit. It's a beautiful sunny day today, so I've got a chance to do all the house chores, do all the clearing, in case we get floods. Flood. So, putting things higher up outside, up in the sheds, make sure things are up, a bit. Not a great lot I can do now, so, but everything, just got to be prepared for any major flooding that we could get end of the week, because we're going to get more rain. Yes. So, I hope you guys are doing alright, and I feel sorry for you guys in Shepparton. Shepparton are underwater. Evacuation of houses. Things you don't want to do that. You don't want to be evacuating. Nobody likes to be evacuating. But it is what it is, isn't it, I guess? But, we just got to deal with it. And but there's no flooding here where I live. The water, I'm just across the road from the creek, so that has been rising, but it's sort of going down a bit now. And yes, I'm in my studio. Yeah, been busy recording actually, and I'm recording. I started to record a song called "It's Father's Day." I haven't got a Father's Day song. Well, I have songs about fathers, like That's My Dad and Visions of Daddy. So this one's called It's Father's Day. It's Father's Day and every day I love him when we play. Hip hip hooray, it's Father's Day. It's laughter in every way. Yes, I like this bit. Dad loves his beer at 4 o'clock and sometimes beer at 5. He cracks his jokes and makes me laugh. We play ball outside. With kids around, it's fun to play. When Dad is home for sure, he's always there when I need care. There's laughter forevermore. Yeah, so, that's a good one. Some good lines. Yes, so... Anyway, I'm just have to do the backing track for it. So, I've been busy recording. This will be my 30th, I think. Yeah, my 30th song, I think. I've been doing so much. busy, yeah. So, anyway, I've got to go and take some people back home and come back. So, yeah. Mate Trev, welcome. Today is Sunday. And it's 16th of October, halfway of the month already of October. Yes, it's going very fast. And so I'm going to do a CD review of my new album. Usually this one is called My Space of Time. It's a brand new CD. Yes, my new latest release. And their recordings actually done here at my... new rental home. My first recordings here. So these were started recording last year, and some were recorded earlier this year. So and now it's released. My Space of Time. What it's all about? Why I call it My Space of Time? And I wrote the song. It's the title track of the album. It's about me really. It's coming up 50 years of my music career in 2 years' time. So let's say it's 48 years of in the music industry since 1974 when I first picked up the guitar. Then the guitar was a Christmas present for me. That was my first one, the old Maestro guitar. So let me tell you the songs. Now the songs, there's 12 tracks on this album. Starts off with Old Legends. That's on the first It's the first song, Old Legends. It's all about the legends, singers, actors, sportsmen, sports people, all the famous people that are no longer with us. Um, you know, it's an era that's come and gone, sort of thing. But they never die. The legends never die. They never do. The memories are still there. They're always. And I noted in the song that when I wrote it, old legends never die. I mean, they become famous after they're dead. You know, become more famous than they ever did. You ever noticed that? Like Elvis Presley. It's 1977 since Elvis Presley died, right? And at this point of time, people are still loving Elvis Presley, and there's a movie out too as well. And it's just as famous as he was. The second track is Pick on My Old Guitar. Pick on My Old Guitar. I wrote that during the lockdown periods, during the COVID-19 lockdown. I had nothing else to do at home but record songs, write songs and record them. So Pick on My Old Guitar was one of them. And everybody's gone. Now, everybody's gone. Well, not totally everybody, but you know, we lose our friends, we lose our loved ones, and well, I lost a lot of friends, a lot of good mates, and a lot of good friends, and well, it's assuming that everybody's gone. All the good people are gone. So, but I'm still here, and you're still here. Back to the Bar Rooms is the next track. It's a Mel Haggett song. I love Mel Haggett. I really do. God bless him. I mean, I know he's passed away, but he's written and recorded such good songs. Back to the Bar Rooms really clicked me, really. My Space of Time is the next one. It's the title track. As I said, it's all about me. The 48 years of my career, coming up 50 years in 2024. Yeah. So that commemorates that. And how much more space of time have I got left in my life? So I'm 60 and coming up to 61. I'll be 61 in November, so I'm getting older. Yeah. And then you got a song, My Little White Pony. My Little White Pony. I wrote this one and recorded. Actually, I recorded this back in 1990 on a cassette. And but the song, it's all about my sister. Actually, she loves horses, and she used to bring her mates in around the backyard with horses and ponies. So she had a white pony. There was a Shetland pony, I think it was. I think it was a Shetland, or was it a I don't know. It was a pony anyway. So I wrote that one, My Little White Pony. It was a very simple song. Baby Girl. Now, a song called Baby Girl. Now, I wrote this one as a rarity and recorded it in 1980 on my very first recordings. And such a nice song. It's just an imaginary song sort of thing. And so I sort of decided to re-record it, so I did. And my voice hasn't changed all that much since the original recording. Murray River Waltz. Murray River Waltz, I recorded this one sometime back 2004, I think it was. That was when I went for a cruise on the PS Emilu at Echuca, the paddle steamer in Echuca. So that made me write the song, because as I was riding along on the PS Emilu paddle steamer, the words were coming at me. Murray River Waltz. It's, as you're going sailing along, you just imagine the Murray River Waltz. Yes, the paddles, rhythm, beats to the rhythm. Yeah. There's a song called Ada. Ada is my auntie. She was my auntie, and my dad's stepmom. Yes, Auntie Ada, and she was one of the women of the valley, of the La Trobe Valley, of Yallourn, Maui, those areas, and I mean, she's had a remarkable career in the early days. She fought the fires. I'm not too sure. I think it was in 1939, bushfires. they had down in Gippsland. So Auntie Ada, she's a very dedicated person. She was, and she was a lovely person. She used to stay with us too, many years ago, with our family, and she used to stew apples, fruit, stone fruit, and make pies out of them. Yeah, she was great at that. And a song called It's Dreamtime, It's Wonderland. It's a lovely little make-believe song, another imaginary song come out of my imagination. It's Dreamtime, It's Wonderland. It's a lovely little song. I reckon, this will go well with Walt Disney Productions. Really, really would. So then another one, When You Need Good Aussie Rain. I record this one. I recorded this on an album, on a CD, Heat and Heartbreak Country, I think it is. No, it's Old Favourites. Essential Old Favourites, that's the name of that album, back in 2002. When You Need Good Aussie Rain, I recorded that. So this is a new version of When You Need Good Aussie Rain. It's such a good song because I wrote this on a very hot day, and a very searing hot day. I went down the backyard. Well, we haven't had rain for a while because I think this was we had the start of a drought, I think we've had, and I'm praying for rain. Rain was coming from the north, yes. So, and I thought to myself, when you need good Aussie rain, yes, that's it. Then we've got the final track. It's a goodbye song. When it's time for me to go. Well, not yet. It's a bit of a goodbye song. It's a bit of a sad one when it's time for me to go. So, look, this album is fantastic. It's really nice, a nice album, nice space of time, and it's $20. $20 for the CD if you buy it off me, and if you order it through by post, it's $5. I have to add $5 on top of that. It's $25 postage and handling. All that. So, yeah, go to my email for contact, so you can order these CDs, to Trevor, TREVOR, Dawson, DAWSON, at gmail.com. Yes, go to that. And if you're on my Facebook, well, you can always message me on the messenger, and I can give you my address, so you can order your CD, My Space of Time. Yes, it's a lovely album. My 39th CD. Now, on my last video I showed you the Ovens River, the flooding. We have floods here at Wangaratta and surrounding, and the Ovens River and Apex Park, which I filmed. So I'm going to go out and film the 1 Mile Creek, which is just over the road from me. So, but that's all going up on the Bushland Adventures channel next weekend, so you'll see that. So I'm going to show you that now on this vlog, just to give you an idea of what's going on with our creek, 1 Mile Creek. I spent a lot of good times since I was a kid. When the 1 Mile Creek, yeah. But I grew up along the 1 Mile Creek, yes. So we're going to do that today. So I'm just okay, now we're just down at the 1 Mile Creek, and so here it is, the flood. Yeah. Actually, the water has dropped a little bit, which is good news. Yeah, so I'm just outside of my house. It's behind me. Yeah, the creek has dropped a bit, so it's not too bad. So but we've got to embrace ourselves. Next week, during the coming week, we're going to get more rain. So, we'll see what happens. It's a little island over there. Road safety school. Yes, old Maggie. You're talking to me. Something in his mouth. They love their words. Yes, it's the Apex Road Safety School, where kids come to learn how to obey the traffic rules. Down here and check out this little bridge where I always used to walk. And some little ducks there. Blood. This is our walking track from Ryan Avenue to Graham Avenue. So this is our water. It's really running fast. Oh dear, look at that. Oh. So, oh yeah, it's blowing. I can only go so far. This track. I rode my bike along here. I used to walk along here. You've seen it in my videos of the past. Yeah, look at that. Water everywhere. Yeah, here our train. Yes, I filmed that. Remember the train on my last video. The railway bridge with a lot of water. Yeah, that's the main road. That's the main line. So anyway, so this is the 1 Mile Creek. So I showed you the Apex Park and Ovens River in my last video. So I thought I'd show you this one. The 1 Mile Creek. I think there's the 3 mile and there's the 15 mile as well creek. They're just as bad. So. And of course one of the property there. Right up to that fence line. Looks like their backyard is okay, but they're surrounded. I reckon if this water gets any higher, that it'll flood their backyard. Yeah, so, as you can see, the water has dropped a bit. Tell by the trees that their water had been. So that's as far as it went. It's dropping a little bit, which is good news. So, yes. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. And, we're going for a bit of a walk just outside my house. So we're pretty safe because we're pretty high up. So I mean, a lot of these houses are pretty high up, so we're safe. But you know, we've got some nice days coming up in the next few days. But coming during the week, later in the week, going to get more rain. But it depends how much comes down from the mountains, really. So there's going to be a lot. It's all going to come down. Covered the track. It goes around the corner there. Of course, that's the Perry Street Bridge. Actually, where that tree is, a bit over in the middle, I remember seeing a camper, a tent. Someone with a tent camped underneath the tree. You wouldn't want to do that now. No way. Camping under trees, dangerous, very dangerous. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, so let's hope this water drops down eventually. Let's go home. All the daisies out, springtime. And this is our Vincent Road Bridge. Where the water is. Yeah, it's just coming underneath that bridge. It was a little bit higher yesterday when I filmed it. Yeah. there you go, 1 Mile Creek, and spent many times. Of course, the scout hall. This is a scout hall, the Wangaratta Scouts, and many years ago, back in the early days, used to be a cricket ground. Yeah, many years ago, because my uncles used to play cricket. Yeah, so now it's just a sort of a bit of a park. There used to be a tennis court over yonder there in the grass. It's over there. There's no tennis court there anymore. And of course, they've got some picnic tables, a little shelter. Now I'm home. Creek's just behind me. That's a good walk. Now, that was a nice walk. Yes. Yeah, nice walk that. Around so I hope you enjoyed. Now I was supposed to go to Benalla today, to the Farmers Arms Hotel to sing. Unfortunately I couldn't be there today because of the flooding around. I didn't want to take risks, so maybe another time. So I got to go back there sometime to pick up my music stand. I left it behind last time I was there. So I hope you guys at the Farmers Arms Hotel in Benalla look after my music stand. Yes. So, till I pick it up sometime. Yeah, so, yeah. Hope you enjoyed. What a beautiful day. Yeah. Getting warm. Yes. So now I've just finished my job. I've just taken my clients back home. I'm at the depot now at the moment, so I'm on my way home. So I'm going to finish this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed. And I shall see you soon. Great harmony. Peace. Bye. You never know what I get up to next. And be safe with you guys in Maribna, Shepparton, Echuca, Charlton, mid-Victoria there, and Seymour, Murderford, those who are infected by the floods, and also Mulwama as well on the New South Wales border there. So a big shout out to you guys. So stay safe with the flood waters, and do your best. Bye.